And now just look up as high as you possibly can. Keep your eyeballs up and just notice that fluttering as you breathe in and breathe out. Can you feel your eyelids fluttering? That's REM, rapid eye movement. And what that means is that you're incredibly suggestible. So now just make yourself even more comfortable. Breathe in and breathe out. Take another deep breath, and each time you blink, that is hypnosis coming upon you. Breathe in, breathe out. And just one final time, breathe in, keep your eyeballs up, and as you exhale, just close your eyelids right down, all the way down. As your eyelids shut down, the muscles and nerves in and around your eyes are becoming heavy, droopy, drowsy. Your eyelids are starting to feel as if they've been glued shut, sealed shut, locked tight. You'll find the harder you try to open your eyes, the more they feel glued shut, sealed shut, locked together. So now just forget all about your eyes and allow a drifting, floating feeling to develop in your body. Just drop your chin a fraction so you can feel that same looking down sensation you get when you look over a balcony or down a flight of stairs. And as I count down, just see your feet, hear your feet, and feel your feet treading each and every step as you just go deeper. Right now, you're moving on to step 10, as each muscle, every nerve turns loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. You're taking step 9, and you can see your feet treading each step as you go deeper. You're taking step 8. You can hear your feet making contact with every step as you go deeper. You're taking step 7. You can feel your feet treading each step as you go deeper. You're taking step 6, and every sound and noise and movement around you is carrying you further, deeper, way, way deeper into hypnosis. You're taking step 5. You are halfway down. Go deeper. You're taking step 4. As each muscle, every nerve turns loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. You're taking step 3, going deeper into an awareness of yourself. You're taking step 2, going deeper into your own internal state. You're taking step 1, just go deeper, drift deeper, sink deeper. And as I click my fingers, you will go deeper, drift deeper, sink deeper. Deeper only means going deeper into an awareness of yourself. I want you to imagine your eyes are glued shut, sealed shut, locked together. The harder you try to open them, the more they feel absolutely locked tight. Try to open your eyes, find they are locked shut, go deeper. Try to open your eyes, find they are glued shut, go deeper. Try to open your eyes, find they are fused together, sealed together, and go deeper and deeper, and at least 50 times deeper. That's perfect. And hypnosis is not about being asleep. It's a sleep of the nervous system. It's about being suggestible. And I know already that you are incredibly suggestible. Now just rock your head slightly side to side to know that your neck muscles are so loose now. Your neck muscles are the first to tighten and the very last to relax. And now that you're moving your head gently from side to side, you feel your neck totally loose and you are completely, deeply relaxed. This meditation is for improving relationships for couples. And right now, you are deeply relaxed, and there are new empowering beliefs that will be expressed for you to take in to your subconscious mind. This is a meditation of affirmations for couples to help improve communication and understanding. And now that you are in a deeply relaxed state, you can accept by listening to these words. I create a culture of appreciation in my environment. I frequently express my gratitude and appreciation for my partner. I easily and effortlessly focus on what I love about my partner. Whenever I think something critical about my partner, I ask myself, what is it that I need to say? How can I express this with loving kindness? Is this something that needs to be expressed? Or is it something that I can look at more carefully on my own, within myself? I let go of judgment, I let go of fear, and let love be the only voice that I hear. I let go of judgment, I let go of fear. I allow only love to be the voice that I hear. Whenever my partner does something that needs to be expressed, something that I appreciate, I let them know how important it is for me to hear it, and also how important it is for me to let them know. I will express it verbally or write a note. I make a point to share gratitude and appreciation because I know how important it is to nurture and nourish this relationship. My relationship with my significant other, my partner, is one of the most important relationships I'll ever have. My intention is to make it a priority to nurture, nourish, and improve my communication with my partner every day. Whenever I notice that my partner is ill at ease or possibly upset about something, before I start to take it personally, I take a moment to breathe deeply and ask, how can I support you? Is there anything I can do to help take this burden from you? I listen carefully and repeat back what it is I hear my partner say, so that I know I've understood correctly before responding. Once I understand my partner, then I can ask more questions to get more information. I love my relationship with my partner, and I understand that it is the foundation for our entire family. I am curious and make it a point to find out what my love language is and what my partner's love language is, and put some energy into expressing my love to them in that particular way. If it's quality time, I look forward to spending time together one-on-one. If it's words of affirmation, I find out what my partner likes to hear, and I work on saying things in a particular way. Even if it's different from my love language, I make an attempt to be able to communicate in the one that my partner responds to more. It may be acts of service, and then I may create a special dinner or do something else that I know my partner appreciates. And even though my partner's love language may be different from my own, I strive to understand what theirs is in order to make our relationship positive. I understand that my relationship with my partner enhances my personal and individual life as well. The more positivity that I can bestow upon my partner, the more goes out into the world around me. I am whole and complete exactly as I am, and so is my loved one. As much as I may want my partner to change, I focus on my behavior first, knowing that I can truly only change myself. All the effort that I put into my relationship affects my life and affects my partner's life and everyone around us. The more I focus on going, leading, speaking, and expressing from a place of love, from a place of acceptance, the more easily my words are heard. I love being in love, and I am intending to keep it fresh and alive. I leave myself open to new ideas, listening to podcasts, reading books, learning from the experts, so that I know I'm on top of it and that I take the care and I'm on the right track. I'll seek counseling if necessary or coaching of some kind. I know there's always room for improvement. Right now, I'm thinking of 3 things that I love and appreciate about my partner that I'm going to share later today. And these can be simple things, something my partner did, or even how they look. It's being aware of something positive that I know and love about them. And this helps to create and build a culture of appreciation in our relationship. I know to point out a specific behavior that I appreciate. Something that's true and honest, so that it comes from my heart with authenticity. I am fully committed to improving my relationship, the quality of our love, and the deep emotional commitment that we have. I am committed to ironing out any difficulties, to taking the conflict to a professional if necessary, and to focus on love, to always go back to the passion that drew us together, the connection that drew us together, the love that we share. That strong foundation can weather any storm, and it's important for me to always go back and focus on that. I know that the power of our partnership is exponential. There is so much power with 2, so much more, and I want to work on nurturing and nourishing our relationship. And now, focusing on the love you share with your partner and your hopes and inspirations for creating an even deeper connection, a stronger connection. I want to count you back into the room, and I want to thank you for listening to this and for really taking the time to improve your relationship, your being in the relationship, your communication to your loved one. And so on the count of 5, I'm going to count you back into the room. The count of 1, being more aware of your surroundings. On the count of 2, noticing any sounds around you and where you are. On the count of 3, becoming refreshed, aware, alert. On the count of 4, you feel recharged, you feel energized, you feel motivated and hopeful. You're inspired to improve your relationship. You know you can get back to the beautiful love that the two of you share. And 5, coming back into the room, opening up your eyes, being now in the present moment. And if you do listen to this at night, you could now drift off into a deep, relaxing, and healing sleep. This is Marlu Harris. Thank you very much for listening.